Blockchain in space? Do we really need it? Well, if you ask the space industry, the answer would be yes. As always, there are better ways to do things, and blockchain technology seems to fit in the picture perfectly. Let's take a look at why exactly the space industry needs blockchain and what makes it such an appealing technology to implement into this area of activity. So, are you ready to learn more about blockchain in space? Welcome to TheSomu TV, where knowledge is power. Like and subscribe help us to grow this channel, so first let us understand what's the need for blockchain for the space industry. Blockchain is already an essential aspect of NASA missions, not only because they track its whereabouts while traversing the solar system, but also because it allows astronauts on Earth to store their data in a more secure fashion. Blockchain's integration into space-related ventures has a lot of great benefits, one of which is increased trust between players and their investors. It also provides better collaboration on a wider scale than before. With all the solutions blockchain has already provided us for transparent, secure matters, how will it change our perspective in space? Real-life uses of blockchain. The first real-life use of blockchain technology was developed by Satoshi Nakamoto to develop Bitcoin, a cryptocurrency. Today, there are over 1,500 cryptocurrencies and blockchains that are actively traded on exchanges around the world. It can be used for more than just digital currencies as well. In fact, it's finding its way into many different industries and has limitless potentials of use cases including notary services, smart contracts, decentralized file storage, and even space travel on a decentralized platform. The future of blockchain. The technology is still young, but its potential and uses are growing. So it's crucial that businesses begin adopting it now. The future of blockchain looks bright, and if you act now, your business will be ahead of its peers in years to come. How blockchain can change the space industry? Blockchain technology is not new, but it has been little used outside of cryptocurrencies. However, blockchain can revolutionize how space industry works by allowing buyers and sellers to connect directly. This would allow the industry to run more efficiently than it does now. Instead of waiting on middlemen to match buyers and sellers, as they do today, blockchain could create a single marketplace that connects space providers directly with users. With the rapidly changing world of space and the speed of technology development, it's time to start thinking about blockchain's role in the industry. Today, we have a chance to learn from early adopters and gain insight into how blockchain can revolutionize space exploration. In the future, implementing blockchain will be a necessity for maintaining current standards and securing our existing capabilities. The question is no longer if blockchain will change space. It's when and how. We can commercialize space exploration faster and more efficiently. Tokenizing a spacecraft would allow different entities to build different components of the spacecraft, giving institutions like NASA and ESA, the European Space Agency, the ability to procure things efficiently, with much more transparency and traceability. However, warn that blockchain has regulatory issues associated with it that will need to be figured out first, including the nature of cryptocurrency tokens and how to implement data protection. That said, the European Union is among the entities examining the legal issues of blockchain, so she said she anticipates more clarity in the near future. So guys, that's a dose of knowledge for today. Subscribe and like the video, it will motivate us. TheSomu TV, signing out.